In today's video, we will meet Jane and Joe. They meet in a cafe. Together, we will learn common ways to introduce ourselves and talk to someone for the first time. Let's watch and learn with Jane and Joe. Jane walks down a sunny street. She sees a pretty cafe and decides to enter. She thinks it looks very welcoming. Jane enters and looks around. She sees a table near the window.
Hello. May I sit here?
Yes, of course. Please sit down. This place is great. Hi. My name is Joe. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jane. Nice to meet you too, Joe. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every Saturday. I like the coffee and the quiet here. What about you?
It's my first time here. I love the atmosphere. It's very cozy.
I agree. The music is nice too. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music a lot. I listen to music every day. What music do you like?
I like pop music and rock. How about you?
I like jazz. It's very relaxing.
Jane and Joe continue talking. They share stories and laugh together. Time passes quickly when you are having fun.
It was lovely meeting you, Joe. Thanks for chatting.
Same here, Jane. It was a pleasure to meet you. See you soon.
Yes, see you. Goodbye.
Bye, Jane.
Jane leaves the cafe, happy to have made a new friend. It's a beautiful day. Write in the comments what these 3 sentences from the video mean in your language. 1. I like the coffee and the quiet here. 2. It was lovely meeting you. 3. I like jazz. It's very relaxing. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.